Oh, ito guys, loob ng, ng strawberry farm. May aqua farm sila.
What does it look like?
It's what do you call that one? Imported from Sri Lanka, especially from aqua farm. So the species that difficult to obtain in Middle East with the symmetrical lines. What do you call that? Peruvian fish. Sa Peruvian fish. Ayan din. Ayan pa. Oh.
Huwag na tayo pumunta sa
Tago sa dyan, oh. Oh. Oh, what's that? What's that?
Oh, it's an axolotl.
Oh, ito kay Ron. Ayan guys, oh.
Wait, what does he look?
What's this?
That's an axolotl.
Axolotl daw, guys. Is this a fish? Look at that, guys. What's that? Paliliit. What call that fish?
This is guppy
fish.
I know.
Oh, guppy fish is various type of considered as one of the most ornamental fish. Wow. That's so cute. This one naman, guys, is Galaxy Rasphora. Wow.
Ang ganda naman.
Ganda nila.
Let's go to the other side.
Nasa loob kami ng aqua farm.
Mama, ano?
Nakaano sila. Patingnan mo siya. Kaya hindi siya magkano, hindi niya makita kasi.
Hindi nga, oh.
At least, wow. Pabalitin si. Ang tampo na. Oh, grabe. Different kinds of, what's this? What do you call this one, baba? Is it shrimp? Oh, look at that, guys. So cute. Wow. Ang ganda. Wait lang. Binibidyo pa pala yung... Kinakain ba to? What's this? Oh, it's nothing. Oh, there is.
But it's hiding.
What's that? Oh, there is inside. Ah, there is. There is. It's too small. Kuya, it's too small.
May algae.
May algae. Ito naman ay tinatawag na Rominos tetra. Rominos tetra. Wow, it's so cool. I like it. Oh, there's a big one, oh, inside, oh.
Gurami yan.
Gurami. There's a white one. There's a white one there, oh. Oh. My white one. Thank you. Can I go up to the other side? Guys, oh.
Mama, you missed one.
What's that? Tiger barb. Wow, it's so cute. Wow, it's very realistic talaga. Ito daw guys ay tiger barb. Aggressive especially with a fish with a long fins and long tails which swims slowly. Oh, it has a sharp fins. The male has a variety colors and it's smaller than female. Okay. Pag maliit daw guys, yun yung male. Pag malaki daw, yun yung female. Oh. Oh, yan. Ang iba. Oh, wow. Ang cute nila. Ito naman, ano to? It's Congo tetra. Wow, parang tilapia. Oh, ang cute nila. I like it. I like it. It's so good. It's so good. Oh, ganda. So cute nila, guys. Yan sila, oh. Wow. Cute ng mga fish na to. Oh, may maliliit pa dyan, oh. Ang dami palang aquarium dito, guys. Oh, ayan, oh. Meron din dito, guys. Oh. Ay, sorry. Okay, daw, guys, ang isda na to ay bintusi. Bintusi daw to, guys. Bintusi na isda. Oh. Tapos, ikot na naman tayo dito. What? What, guys? May malaking isda dito, guys. I'm gonna show you. Ang ganda, guys. It's called dishcash, guys. Dishcash and clown Clown loth. Tingnan mo guys, oh. Oh, look at that. They're so cute. Oh my God. Ito guys, ang cute nila guys, oh. Tingnan niya ako guys, oh. Kinakausap niya ako. Ang cute. Ayan sila, oh. So cute. Ang tawag nito. Oh. Goldfish yan. Ayan guys, oh. Ang cute nila guys. Punta tayo na naman dito guys sa kabila. Yung iba wala pang laman. Kaya mo. Yan o. Meron din sila ganito. Oh, it's so cute. Si Kyron, hindi naman nakakanood si Kyron. Oh, marami pala talaga dito guys. Papa, carry mo siya.
Wait lang, Rosa.
Oh, ano yan? Tilapia? Tilapia?
I
Oh, look like tilapia.
no, this tiny baby.
Child dolphin blue. Oh, tingnan mo guys, oh.
This is dolphin.
May ano sila sa ulo.
He's looking at me.
Yeah.
Bro,
Hi. Hi, fish. How are you?
he's looking at me, bro.
What's this? There's another one here.
What the?
It's an eel. Paco fish. Oh,
Oh,
it's so big. Look.
Papa, there's an eel. Here.
So big, guys. Oh, they're big. Look, Kawan. Look.
Look at these.
Look. Ay, bakit? Oh, sorry, mahal. Want to see? Want to see? Oh. Huh?
Why is this one not moving?